Hey guys, Natalie here from Serpwizz, and we are back again with our Ahrefs series of tutorials / reviews regarding their tools and the extra features that come with them. So today we'll be going to talk about SEO Checker, which is one of their extra tools and features. You can find more information about the SEO Checker right over here when you scroll to the bottommost part of the landing page, which is ahrefs.com. So you'd see that one right here, and previously we have done all of these extra tools and features, and they are in separate tutorial or review videos. You can find those on the playlist link that I will be including on the description box below. Right, so let me just click that one right there, and we will be directed to this page here where you can actually use the tool, although very limited because you would need to be signed up for an account here in Ahrefs, but I will talk about that more in detail later on. For now, let's have a look at what SEO Checker does. So you probably stumbled upon this video for either two reasons. One is because you have been following the Ahrefs series of tutorials that we have been doing, or another one is because you have been looking for a way to improve your SEO performance. And whichever of those two are, you're in the right path, I would like to say, because this tool is actually very useful if you want to monitor your website's SEO performance, as you can see right there, which is what Ahrefs is claiming that this tool is all about. So as you can also read here, SEO Checker is not at all a standalone tool. It is included in the Ahrefs Webmaster Tools, so meaning if you sign up here, you would be given access also to the Ahrefs Webmaster Tools. And if I'm not mistaken, AWT comes with limited access or limited utilization of Site Explorer and Site Audit. So that's a free account that you can sign up with here in Ahrefs. It's completely different from signing up for a subscription plan to use all the core tools. So that's a paid plan, but Ahrefs Webmaster Tools is a completely free account where you will be able to use some of the tools that Ahrefs offer, as well as this extra tool and feature, which is SEO Checker. So that's so much for a long introduction, but yeah, let's go quickly on what SEO Checker does. As you can see, it's claiming that it answers the limitations of Google Search Console. And if you have been using Google Search Console, then you would be delighted to know that SEO Checker is an improved version of Google Search Console, mainly because it answers or checks for 100 plus SEO issues as compared to Google Search Console, which only deals with a number or several of those issues. And then it also monitors your website's SEO health. We'll talk about that later in a bit. And then all of these as well will go on over these following points as we scroll down on this page. So if you wanted a thorough demo, you can absolutely watch this video right here. Head on over to ahrefs.com and click on the SEO Checker link. But as for us, we will be going over the points quickly, so this would be just a run through of all the features that is included in this tool. So here we have the overall health score of your website, which is what you can check. It is a 2-digit number based on the number of errors found in your website. So this gives you an insight on how your website is doing, how likely it is to have errors, or if it's doing great, then you just have to keep it up. You just have to maintain the overall health score of your website. Then going down, Here we have this following issues that SEO Checker can deal with, as well as 100 plus SEO, other SEO issues. So here you have a look at some examples of issues that they detect, like broken links, 404 page are not found. So those types of issues, and that's very useful because you would be able to deal with those right away and improve the traffic of your website. And if you are running a website, you would know for sure that it's important to schedule regular SEO checks. This way you can improve your performance overall, and also have daily, weekly, or monthly crawls to see what issues are going on, what you have to deal with, or what you need to improve, and what is thriving in your website. Here you have the check your site speed, and we all know how important it is for our websites to load fast, because if it takes a while for your website to load, then chances are that the interested user will just go elsewhere, because no one would want a slow loading website. And it's just gonna say a lot about how you maintain your web page. So that's one important feature of SEO Checker. And then it also helps you find internal linking opportunities so that you can target those sites and have those linked back to you. Here you can also see the backlinks pointing at your site. So these are very important features because it helps generate traffic going to your web page, and see what keywords you're ranking for and how well they are doing in the ranking, as well as their tools in Ahrefs, which allows you to discover new keywords as well, and then see what keywords your competitors are ranking for and stuff like that. So those are all related to managing your SEO performance. And here, if you go to this web page, or in the web page that says SEO Checker for Ahrefs, then you would find some frequently asked questions about this feature, as well as other questions about Ahrefs per se. So that is it for SEO Checker. Hopefully you found this tutorial/review helpful. We won't be able to access or use this tool here, because then you would need to verify ownership of your website. So if you want to use this tool, then definitely head on over to this webpage and utilize it, but you would have to present or verify your ownership in order to use the tool. So that's it. Hopefully we see you again on the next tutorials for Ahrefs. We're nearing the end of this series, as we will be finishing once we touch down on Traffic Checker. So thank you again all for watching, and see you soon.